Stockbrokers buy and sell shares on the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange. These are uncertain economic times.
165570.
President Robert Mugabe's Zanu PF party now has two-thirds majority in parliament. Officials plan to push ahead with their indigenization policy. The law requires foreign-owned firms to give 51% of shares to black Zimbabweans. That's making investors nervous.
We're still in the middle of the seesaw. Yeah, things can improve, things can go either way. Yeah, but I think it's too early to tell. Yeah.
To counter negative foreign investor sentiment, government officials say they plan to introduce a secondary stock exchange where only black people will be able to trade. The initiative would identify black business people, give them the capital and support needed to one day participate on the country's main stock exchange.
Again, to enhance the economic participation of blacks in line with the indigenization program. It means blacks for the first time will be able to participate in different aspects of the economy.
But not everyone agrees a secondary stock exchange will work.
They want 51% of every foreign-owned company, and they don't want the owners of those companies to come back into the marketplace and buy back those shares. But in order to do this, to generate a completely different stock exchange on which only indigenous Zimbabweans are allowed to trade, is a form of economic apartheid.
Unemployment is more than 80%. Industries operating at below half its capacity. The immediate concern on many people's minds is economic recovery. Zanu PF officials are under a lot of pressure to deliver. They promise Zimbabweans that their lives will improve, that there'll be jobs, that there'll be better services. Ordinary people struggling to make ends meet want to see results. But as long as some investors seem reluctant to put more capital into Zimbabwe, economists warn growth will be slow and delivering on campaign promises may not be so easy. Haru, Mutasa, Jazeera, Harare.